What's up guys, today I want to talk about my cinematic photo style settings for the Panasonic GH5 and GH4. I will leave some video examples up on the screen as I talk about this so that you can see what it looks like, and if you like the footage then I guess try it out, try the settings out for yourself. So let's just go straight into it. I'm on a GH5 right now and I'm going to open up the menu and go to the second video camera and go down to the photo style option. So once I'm in there, I'm going to go to Cine Light D, and then I'm going to go down into the settings to contrast and put that to -5. Sharpness, I'm going to also put that to -5, and then noise reduction I'll leave at 0, and saturation I'll put down to -5, and then hue I'll leave that at 0 as well. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I leave all of the other settings in the camera as factory, and a little disclaimer, I haven't tested these settings against like the standard and the other photo styles to test quality and things like that. These settings are just purely ones that I was playing around with one day and just like the look of. I find it gives you quite a nice like desaturated cinematic look, which when you're color grading you can go in a lot of different ways, or you can just sort of like leave it as it is and it looks quite raw. I think actually by turning down the sharpness, it actually makes it look kind of more like Canon footage. I used to film on a Canon 7D, and from what I've seen of the other Canon cameras, it's a much smoother look, which I think is more cinematic. I'm sure many of you guys that have upgraded from, well, that have switched from Canon to a Panasonic will notice that there's just way more detail in the video, and it kind of takes away that cinematic look, I think. So yeah, that's my settings. Try them out if you like them, and let me know what you think. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.